Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm going to try and jump into the Bandai group build that's going on in March, and today is March the 23rd. I'm doing my intro video. This is the kit I'm going to be building. The group build is hosted by HobbyTime with PapaDan and another Dan at Munchkin Modeling Man 72. So I've still got about 10 days, I guess, to it should take only a few days to get this done. I have a paint scheme picked out, so stay tuned. It's going to be a little different than the box art for sure, and we'll see how it goes. And everything's still in the cellophane, molded in dark gray. So I'll have to begin the sub-assemblies, the primer and the paint, and then the final assembly. So here we are. Everything's on 3 sprues. Gray, green, and these connecting pieces, and then a small decal set, stickers probably just for his eye and that. So I'll begin the sub-assembly process. Well, it's about 2.5 hours later, and I'm back again. I've got all the parts cut off and cleaned up, and sub-assembly's done here. Just have to get the primer on it now. What I want to do, get the primer on it, and then I can begin the colors. I think I'm going to do the whole thing first in Vallejo light gray primer, and then we'll be back. So stay tuned for another update.